Okay, guys, I was asked to review this tiny handheld microscope. As you can see, it photographs well. The unboxing went really easily. It was boxed well. It's a small microscope. You'll see here that it is a model P50. They are kind enough to give me this for free, but I'm not getting paid. And you get 10% off with their discount code. So you can use this in order to get a discount. It came with this nice little case that also has a little charging cord inside. And it was, like I said, packaged very well. I immediately jumped in and I turned it on. It does have a couple different buttons here. There's some LED lights on the front. When you turn it on, it's the center button. I just did the coffee table as a reference, point of reference. There's 4 times zoom, as well as on the top there's a dial to be able to, focus in because it is a microscope. There is on the side a SD card slot, and that is for like a micro SD card. So you can use that and then put that into your computer in order to be able to, say, make a movie out of it or do whatever you like. And I was pretty impressed. This is a little piece of gold. You can kind of see the crystals. I had, again, just opened it and was able to use it right out of the box without even really looking at the directions. So it's pretty cool in that regard. This here is a coin. This would be great out in the field. Oh, it is rechargeable. So you can charge it up and take it out in the field. And this is the video that it shot. I mean, look at that, the clarity on that gold. That's really nice. So I do recommend this product, especially for out in the field. Have a great day.